Iran and Israel have been in a tense military standoff for decades. Both nations have developed advanced air forces and defense systems. Today, we explore what an air war between them could look like. This simulation shows potential air engagements using real aircraft data. Let's start with Israel's Air Force. Israel's Air Force is one of the most advanced in the world. Key fighters include the F-35 Lightning II, F-16 Fighting Falcon, and the Iron Dome defense system. F-35 Lightning II, F-16 Fighting Falcon, Iron Dome missile defense in action. The F-35 stealth and avionics make it a deadly force in modern air warfare. F-16s provide agility and multi-role capability in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Iron Dome protects critical areas from incoming rockets and missiles. Israel Air Force jets on patrol and in formation. Operational simulations show layered coverage and quick reaction times. Next, let's examine Iran's Air Force and defense systems. Iran has a mix of modern and legacy fighters. Key aircraft include the F-14 Tomcat, Su-24, and domestically produced drones. Su-24S provide strike capability at range. Shahed drones and other UAS provide reconnaissance and strike options. Iran also fields advanced air defense systems like Bavar 373 and Khordad 15. Khordad 15 provides medium-range radar and intercept capability. These systems create layered detection and interception zones. Drones provide real-time reconnaissance and strike capability. Iran's layered defense strategy makes any direct air attack challenging. If a conflict erupts, Israel's F-35S would engage Iranian air defenses. Iran's fighters and drones would attempt to intercept incoming threats. Precision strikes and countermeasures determine the initial outcome. Missiles, decoys, and electronic warfare create complex engagement chains. Drones could be used for reconnaissance and decoy missions. Iranian air defenses activate to protect key locations. The battle demonstrates the importance of stealth versus detection systems. Drone interception attempts and fighter scrambles will test both sides. Jets use countermeasures and maneuvers to survive high-threat environments. Multiple waves of aircraft test both nations' strategies. Precision, timing, and coordination shift advantages rapidly. Terrain, radar coverage, and electronic warfare influence results. Animated simulations show shifting air superiority based on tactics. Both sides have strengths and weaknesses in a complex battle scenario. This simulation provides a hypothetical insight, not a real prediction. Air war is devastating. Who would prevail? Comment below your predictions and subscribe for more simulations.